Hi friends, welcome back to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. In today's video, we will dive into the innovative designs and practical elements that make contemporary wardrobe not just storage solution but essential component of our living spaces. Whether you are looking to maximize space, enhance organization, or add a touch of elegance to your home, we have got you covered. Let's get started. Modern wardrobes have evolved significantly, combining functionality with aesthetic appeal to meet the diverse needs of contemporary living. One of the standout features is customization. Many modern wardrobes offer modular designs that allow users to tailor the layout and components according to their specific storage requirements. This flexibility ensures that every item from clothing to accessories has a designated space, reducing clutter and enhancing organization. Another key aspect is the use of high quality materials. Contemporary wardrobes often incorporate materials like engineered wood, glass, or metal, which not only adds a sleek and stylish look but also ensures durability. The finishes are typically minimalistic with smooth surfaces and clean lines that complement modern interior decor. Additionally, the integration of soft close mechanism indoors and drawers enhance usability, providing a quiet and gentle clear that prevents slamming. Lighting is also a significant feature in modern wardrobes. Many designs includes built-in LED lights that illuminates the interior, making it easier to find items, especially in darker corners. This feature not only adds functionality but also creates an inviting atmosphere. Furthermore, some wardrobes come equipped with smart technology, allowing users to control lighting or access inventory through smartphones app, blending convenience with innovation. Finally, sustainability has become an essential consideration in modern wardrobe designs. Many manufacturers are now focusing on eco-friendly materials and production processes, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. This trend not only promotes responsible consumptions but also encourages a shift towards more sustainable living practices. In summary, modern wardrobes are characterized by customization, high quality materials, integrated lighting, smart technology, and a commitment to sustainability, making them a vital components of contemporary home designs. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of modern wardrobes. We hope you found inspiration and ideas to transform your own space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home designs, tips, and tricks. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What feature do you find more appealing in a wardrobe? And please mention your country name. Until next time, happy organizing. Thank you. Bye.